Dear students, today I am going to teach you the first poem, The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken has been composed by Robert Frost, an American poet. He is called a representative poet of America. His poems are very inspiring. His poems are philosophical. Here, the poem The Road Not Taken is very inspiring poem. It teaches us a lesson that the selection in life is very essential. It must be done reasonably. In our life, there are such conditions what is to be done and what is not to be done. Sometimes in life, there are conditions of confusion. In such critical condition, what should be the decision made by the person is very important. The poet is traveling. He comes to a point where the two roads divide. There is a diversion of the road. The poet faces a problem. Which road he should continue his journey? He compares both roads. Both roads appear like the same. There is a minor difference between the two roads. So, he is unable to decide which road he should take. He should continue his journey. He thinks one road is traveled by the people more than others. The another road is less beaten by the people. Both of them are grassy. Then he makes a decision that he should continue the road which is less beaten, which is not more traveled by the people. And at last he decides to travel. After a long time in his life, he thinks that his decision made a great difference in his life. Now, the message of the poem is that in everyone's life, there is a confusion. There is a selection of path. On every step of life, there are two ways. Which way you have to take, which you have to continue your life journey, you have to decide yourself. In our life, there are many confusions. There are many dilemmas. Out of this dilemma, you have to come out. And you can come out from this confusion of life only after making the right selection of life, right selection of path. If your selection is right, it will bring a good change in your life. If your selection is wrong, it will bring bad results in life. Everyone knows present holds the future. Whatever the decision you are making in the present time, that will shape your future. If you are doing wrong decision at the present time, the future will be dark. It will bring bad results. So the poem focuses on the fact that the selection in life should be made with reason, with thinking. Life is like a journey. In this journey of life, there will be many divergences. In the divergence, you have to make a right choice. If your choice is right, you will bring good results in life. If your choice is wrong, that will bring bad results in life.